So John is diagnosed with autism, and he's also diagnosed with schizophrenia. As a direct impact of those diagnoses, he struggles with focusing. At BlueWing, we focus on building the skills that he needs to be able to be more independent, to travel on his own.
Hi, welcome to the BlueWing show, where we're going to talk about relief, support, care and family for our participants. It is our mission to show you there is help and support and people that care about the individuals.
My name is Luis. I am an occupational therapist. Like what we did today was we did travel training with John. So I've been seeing John for quite a while now. We've been working on skills that we think he needs to be able to be more independent, especially in the community. So like what we did today, we discussed about getting his Opel card or putting money in his Opel card and then choosing which bus to ride, waiting for the bus, and then finally riding the bus. It's not the first time that we did this. We've been practicing several times. A bunch of times before I rode the bus with him, and then we rode all the way until the bus stop, and then we rode all the way back to BlueWing. But today I let him ride for the most part of the bus stop. So we rode the bus together, and then I got off on the first station after, and then he got to ride on his own to be more independent. I'll be able to hear from him at the end of the day, or when he gets off the bus, that like how he did or how he's been doing, or if there's any problems that he encountered while in the bus. So to make sure that he's safe, we made an agreement with a support worker to follow the bus or to trail the bus, so that if there's any issue, John will be able to call me, John will be able to call the support worker, and he'll be there. Or I can also be there if there's a need for me to be there. There are times that it's hard for him to pick up on cues, on social cues as well. Being able to sit inside the bus on his own, a huge achievement for him. And to be able to focus and be aware of where he is and where he's going to get down, or going to which bus stop he's going to, and planning the whole process. It took us a while, but we finally got there actually. So it's a really good achievement for him.